Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another exciting tutorial with me. Today we're going to learn how to use Figma Buzz to create bulk social media posts using AI, and everything we are going to do free of cost. So Figma Buzz is an open source, at least as of now it is in beta, and it is free of cost, available in all plans of Figma. So what we have to do is we just have to open the Figma. You can use the desktop app as well as browser. So just open figma.com. If you're not yet logged into the Figma, just make sure you log into the Figma, and now you just have to click on Buzz. So that'll create a empty Figma Buzz, and you can choose which file format you want, or sorry, which post type you want. If you want it for social, if you want it for ads, print, business, sales and promotions, and you can choose whatever you want. So I'm just going to create posts for my Instagram handle. By the way, I'll start with a blank Instagram post portrait. You can choose whichever you want. And by the way, if you're not followed me on Instagram, just make sure you do it. I'll put my Instagram handle in the description below. So I'll just go to grid mode so that I can see all the files which we are going to generate using Figma Buzz with fraction of seconds. And rather than designing myself from scratch, what I'll do, I'll simply choose templates here. So I'll just simply go to quotes, and let's select something which looks good. This is good, but I preferably use this version. So I'll just simply click on add here, and now it has added as a Facebook post. But don't worry, you can just simply go here, click on this drop down button, and simply select Instagram portrait. You can see Figma Buzz has automatically rearranged this design to fit your requirements. So I'll simply delete this blank. I don't need it anymore. And what I'll do, I'll simply just adjust the font size of this quote here, because if we have some longer quotes, then I just don't want to, let's use probably 80. And I'll simply adjust the width as well. And one more thing, we need to make sure that it is bottom aligned. Yes, it is bottom aligned. So what it does is, whenever we add more text in this box, it will automatically move the text upwards, so that we don't have any issues with the clipping here with the author name. And this looks good. Probably I'll just go a little bit down here with the 72 font size. Oops, it doesn't work, sorry. 72, yep. And that looks good to me. You can adjust all these parameters based on your design. You can choose something here already from the templates, or you can design your own with these tools here on the left hand side. It is very simple. You can simply add media, images, videos, or not videos but images and all, and you can add text. You can insert more icons and stickers from the libraries available here. You can also connect your design systems to this. I'm not going to go in more details, as I would like to keep it very simple. So let's go back here, yes, I don't need anything apart from this in Figma Buzz. I'll simply head towards Chrome, where I have opened ChatGPT. You can use any AI tool, ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, or whichever you feel better to create your content. I will use ChatGPT to simply give me content. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to tell ChatGPT, give me 30 quotes on UI UX design by famous authors, designers in CSV downloadable format, where we have quote not longer than 3 lines, and author name, don't add any imaginary quotes. Okay, great. We have defined this, what exactly we want, to ChatGPT, and let it create the content. While it is generating the file for us, the CSV file, what you have to do is, you have to just click on subscribe button if you have not yet, and you can watch our videos as soon as they are live. Yes. So let it create the post, and okay, it has given us, and I'll simply download this file, heading back towards Figma Buzz. And now what you have to do is, you just have to click here on bulk create, and now simply upload the file which we have downloaded. So I'll simply go here and select the file, and now you can see we have got quotes and author from the downloaded CSV file. Guys, if you want to add images, then make sure you use XLS, because CSV doesn't support images as of now. So we have just added quotes and author from the file, and what we have to do, we just have to link these things with the text on our design. So I'll simply select this quote area, and I'll click on quote. That's it. That's all we have to link. And I'll select the author name, and I'll simply link the author name as well. You can remove the links from here and you can bind again with some other text on your post. Okay, that's good. And if you want multiple variations, what you can do is you can just simply duplicate this, or you can click on this where it is. Now I don't know, like yeah, now you can see we have to go out of the bulk create, but yeah, where you can just simply click here and you can generate more copies of the design. And if you want, you can change the color as well. So I'll just put probably something in a different shade. So if I want, you know, to post this or that, I can choose which image I want. I'm not going to do it in more details or creative thing, but yeah, just to show you. So we have created these two variations. I'll just simply name it color 1 and I'll rename it color 2. And now you can see we have linked okay, we need to upload the file again because we have just escaped in mid of the operations. And now I'll show you how to do it for multiple posts or multiple files or multiple assets here. So you just have to select the text layer in one of the frame. You can find this toolbar here and you can just go to more and you can select matching objects in all designs. And now you can see it is automatically selected the text in both files or both assets. And now I'm simply going to bind it with just, you know, clicking on this quote here. And now you can see my quote is linked with both of them. I'll select the author name. Same way you can manually select shift and, you know, hold shift and select the other text as well, or you can simply go here and click on select matching layers. Because I already selected both of these, it will not show me more layers to match. And I'll simply click here on link, click here to link the author with this author name. Okay, now you would have already guessed what we have to do. We just have to click on create assets, and now you can see it has created all these assets here. And now you can simply export all these assets. To export assets, it is very simple. If you click on export, it will export everything, you know, 62 assets. But if you want to export specific assets, you can select them and click on export, or you can select the entire row by just, you know, clicking here. And if you want, you can just make a copy of this entire row just by clicking here, so that you get all these quotes in a different style, or sorry, in a different row here. But I'm not going to do that, so I'll just select the row 3. And now you can see I have just getting options to export the 30 designs from the row 3, not from row 1 and row 2. So that's cool. You know, you just have to define the file size, file type and size of the image, 1x, 2x or 4x. I'll simply put the 1x because we already designed it as per Instagram standards. I'll put the quality to high. You can choose whatever you want here and just click on export assets. And that will give you all the assets exported in JPG or PNG or a PDF format just within a fraction of seconds, right? So I hope you have enjoyed this video. And guys, for this video, I am going to set a target of 500 likes. So I need support from you guys, and just if you're watching this video, make sure you hit that like button so that we can reach 500 like counts. And that's it. Till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.